The Detox Market is celebrating 15 years, so they came out with this awesome Best of Green Beauty box with all of their favorite picks, the most popular green beauty picks. So I wanted to do an unboxing for you. This was kindly gifted to me, which I always just feel so grateful to be able to receive stuff like this, and especially just to be able to also show you guys in case you're interested in checking it out. If you have been following my channel for a while, you probably know that I have talked about the Detox Market a lot on my channel. I think it is such a great place to shop for green beauty. For this video, I'm going to unbox everything that is in this box and let you guys know details about each of the products that are included. So I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys. This is the Best of Green Beauty for 2025. So it comes with this little card that says meet this year's MVPs, and this is where it shows all of the products that are included in this box and tells you a little bit about each product. So let's get into it. The first item is the $19.99 Beauty Liquid Pen Eyeliner in black. This is a full-size product. This is a long wear liquid liner. Its fine felt tip glides on effortlessly for sharp, smudge-free lines that last all day. Next is a product from Odacite. It is their Creme de la Creme. This is a full-size product. This is a restorative night cream that is backed by 2 studies to support glowy, youthful looking skin. I actually have tested it out one time so far since getting this box, and it does feel like a nice cream. It's not overly heavy. It feels pretty lightweight, but still nice and moisturizing. I feel like it melted into my skin nicely, so I'm excited to see what this does for my skin. Next is a product from Poem. This is their overnight hand and foot hydration mask. This is also a full-size product. This is a skin softening hand and foot mask that's suitable for all skin types, including those sensitive to scents. I have tried some other products from Poem and I have really enjoyed their products. I've tried their hand cream. It is so nice, and I can't remember what it was, but I'm pretty sure I've tried one other product from Poem, but the products are really nice. They smell really nice, so that's exciting to see a product from this brand in this box. I can definitely understand why this is a Best of Green Beauty for 2025 because their products are really nice. At least the ones that I've tried, they're really nice. Next is a serum from 3 Ships. This is the Jelly Drops Serum. This is a full-size product. This is described as a lightweight serum that instantly boosts moisture thanks to Tremella mushroom and brightening Kakadu plum. I'm definitely curious to test this out. I've never tried this product before, but it sounds like it can be good for helping to maybe fade some dark spots, help with some brightening. Next is a product from True Botanicals. This is their Chebula Multi-Corrective Eye Patches. This is a full-size product and you get 25 pairs. These are Chebula-powered under-eye patches that are clinically proven to fight 5 signs of aging around the delicate eye area in just 15 minutes. Next is a product from Josh Rosebrook. This is not a surprise that this is in this box. I feel like this product has been so popular for years. This is their Hydrating Accelerator. This is a full-size product. It says fast track hydration with this universal performance-driven mist that plumps, protects, and supports skin health and radiance. This is a very popular product. I'm excited to have this because it's been a long time since I've used this product, but I tried this product years ago and it is very popular and it is a really nice facial mist. Next is a fragrance from the brand Able, the Apartment Fragrance. This is a deluxe mini. This dark and sophisticated gourmand will instantly transport you with its opening notes of tart cherry and rum grounded by rich cacao and myrrh. This scent seems also great for the holidays, so I feel like this is really good timing. Next is the Fit Glow Beauty Lash Care Mascara. This is a full-size product. This is a volumizing lash care mascara with advanced anti-breakage and lash growth support formula. I've never tried this mascara before. I have tried other mascaras from Fit Glow Beauty and I have enjoyed their mascaras, but this one is one that I haven't tried yet, so I can't really give you my thoughts on it, but I am definitely excited to test it out. Next is the Lavished Lip Care Sahajan Lip Karma Vanilla. This is a full-size product. It says reward your lips with this buttery vanilla infused balm crafted with argan oil, castor oil, and beeswax to provide deep hydration with just the right amount of shine. This is good timing because I'm actually almost out of the lip product that I've been using, and this just sounds really good. I'm a huge fan of castor oil, and beeswax in here also sounds great, so I'm definitely excited to test this out. Next is the One Love Organics Botanical Bee Enzyme Cleansing Oil plus Makeup Remover. This is a full-size product. It says rinse the day away with this top-rated cleansing oil featuring skin-loving ingredients like lightweight sunflower seed oil and the softening properties of papain. So I actually do have this product, and I've been testing it out for a while now. It's in my bathroom right now, and it is a really nice makeup remover. It does a great job at removing makeup. I also just like it as a first cleanse, or if I just want to give my face a nice massage before I wash my face. It's a very nice cleansing oil. It also has a really nice scent. It's kind of like a light fruity scent, but this is a nice makeup remover, so it's cool that it is in this box. Next is the InnerSense Hydrating Hair Mask. This is a full-size product. It says revive dry, damaged hair with this intensely nourishing hair mask featuring a concentrated blend of shea butter, jojoba seed oil, and tamanu oil. I have not tried this mask before. I have tried other InnerSense hair products, and I am a huge fan of their hair products. I really enjoy their hair bath and their conditioner. I actually have InnerSense products in my shower right now. I have been using their shampoo, conditioner, and also their detox hair mask, but I have not tried their hydrating hair mask. It sounds really nice. Next is the Manicurist Active Glow Blueberry. This is a full-size product. It says merging nail care and makeup. This deeply nourishing nail treatment enhances your nail color with its magenta hue, while natural extracts impart shine. I have not put anything on my nails for a while, but this sounds nice. It sounds good for somebody who maybe doesn't normally apply nail polish, who just wants kind of a natural look. Next is the Ilia Beauty Eye Stylish Shadow Stick in the shade Brocade. This is a deluxe mini. This has a versatile slanted tip. It's a slick eyeshadow stick that glides on effortlessly, delivering a rich bronze shimmer that lasts up to 12 hours on the lids. It sounds good. The color looks really pretty. It looks like a gorgeous bronzy brown shade. Next is the 100% pure Ginseng Royal Jelly Mask. This is a full-size product. This is packed with 95% aloe vera. This anti-aging hydrogel mask utilizes ginseng to stimulate collagen production, resulting in a more supple and firm complexion. This sounds really nice. I haven't tried this before either. I haven't tried a lot of these products that are the best of 2025. I have kind of been not testing as many products this year because, as some of you know, I've been going through some health things. I've been dealing with mold toxicity, so I haven't really been testing many products, but yeah, so this sounds very nice. I like that this has 95% aloe vera. Aloe vera is great for the skin. Next is the Bathorium Hinoki. It is inspired by traditional Japanese onsens. This magnesium flake bath soak features yuzu fruit, essential oil, and hinoki cypress to help you unwind into a state of zen. I actually have tried this product. I think I tried this product a few years ago. I love some good magnesium bath flakes, so these are really great. I do remember really liking them. Magnesium is just so great for relaxing your muscles, and just kind of, it's a great way to unwind at the end of the day. And magnesium has just great benefits. It can help with preventing leg cramps. It can help with, you know, relaxing your muscles, and it's a great way to just get magnesium into your body in a topical way. And then the last product is the RMS Beauty Legendary Lip Oil in the shade Lucia. This is a deluxe mini. This is like skincare for your lips. This delightfully plush and ultra nourishing lip oil delivers alluring color and high shine that's never sticky, always legendary. I have not tried this product before either, but it sounds really nice. The color looks really pretty. That is everything in the Best of Green Beauty box from the Detox Market. This is a great box. There are so many goodies in this box, so if you are interested in checking it out, I will have this box listed and linked in the description box below so you can easily find it. No pressure at all to use my link, but if you do, it's no additional cost to you, but it does help to support my channel, so thank you so much if you use my link and you are interested in getting this anyway. If you do have any questions about this box, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you'd like to see even more content from my channel, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.